To control your LockedOn experience, every user will have the option to go into their profile in the My Details area and customize their settings. The settings options will allow you to turn certain things on and change the way that some things load. If you want the side menu bar to always be open, you can turn this on. That will open up this left-hand menu and it will always stay open whenever you log into your account. You also have the ability to select what properties load when you load the properties database. If you are a rental manager or a property manager, you can have your rentals load all the time. Or if you want your current listing stock to always load, you can select listings and then save these settings so that the next time you click on the properties database, by default it will load your current listings. To remove that filter, you can click the filter option at the top of the screen and select clear all filters to see all of your properties again, and then apply a different filter to show that particular property found set.